Yo, 2013 Nissan Frontier. The thing sounds like this. All the time. So, person went online and got this jobby, heavy-duty fan clutch. It says it's made in China with USA technology, whatever that's supposed to mean. Hopefully it's right, and hopefully this thing will shut up. I need to take the fan shroud off, and there's some things underneath here that I got to deal with. So I'm going to start on the bottom. There's a bunch of 10 millimeters. I got to take this valance off. Then I got more 10 millimeters. Looks like I can use a Phillips screwdriver too. I have a skid plate with some 10 millimeters on it. There's like 2 there and 2 down here. There's a lower fan shroud I gotta deal with. I'm gonna get this hose out of my way. There's little pinch clips. There's one here. There's one right here. And this should come out. I have to take off the upper radiator hose, so I'm going to need to drain some coolant. I have a drain pan and a number 3 Phillips screw right here. Now that I'm topside, I got 2 10 millimeters here. There's some rubber grommets holding this in. I can just pop it straight up. Got an 8 millimeter or a regular screwdriver here. I'm just going to take that one clamp off. I can unplug this mass airflow sensor. I can pinch these little plastic clippy things in and pop that out of the way. I have a breather hose here I can unplug. I should be able to take these 2 tabs off for the air cleaner. And I have 2 more 10 millimeters. And this whole thing should come off. Oh, no. Looks like I got a little breather pipe on here too. Pinch clamps on that. Just squeeze them with the pliers. Now I have an upper radiator hose I can deal with. Pinch clamps on this. I got a hook tool I'm going to put in here just to loosen these hoses up a little bit. I got some more of these clips here. Oh, tried to squeeze that out. It broke the whole dang thing. Nice. This one I can't get a pair of pliers behind, so I'm just going to have to rip it out. I can unplug this fan. You should be able to push this thing in here like this and pull it out. My overflow pipe. Unsnap that. I don't think I need to disconnect it. I just got to get it out of the way. And I have 3 10 millimeters on the top of this fan shroud. I got another clip for this electric fan wire to deal with. Try to get that off without breaking anything. And I have a transmission hose right here that's clipped into the shroud in a couple of places. I can just pop those out with my hands. And then I should be able to get all this out of here. This fan's not really attached to anything, but I got it all out in one piece like this anyways. 4 little baby 10 millimeters. This whole thing's turning on me, so I can just jam a screwdriver in between one of the nuts. And it's stripping out. Oh, lovely, it's stripped out. Almost like this has all been done before. I have a 6-point ratcheting wrench here. That should probably do it for me, I hope. Just got to wedge the thing in here somehow. Oh, I got you. Got the fan out. Looks like one stud stayed in here. Give these a little heat. They should come right out. Since I still got the belt on here, it's a little kitty wampus. Do the double nut thing. Here, I got those back on. 410 millimeters for this. I can flip this upside down and turn it, and it's really super stiff. And this one is stiff, but after you spin it for a little bit, the fluid, it spreads out and it loosens up. So this one's probably going to work right. I'm going to torque these bolts down to 108 inch-pounds or 9 foot-pounds. It says front on here too, so don't get that backwards. It's got a lot of old crud on here I'm going to take off just so the fan's a little better balanced. Who knows, maybe all the crud made it nice and balanced. The self-balancing crud. Good enough. Kind of hard to get my fingers in there, so I got a little magnet I'm going to try to use here. Now these all get torqued to 9 foot-pounds or 108 inch-pounds too, but you're not going to be able to get a torque wrench in here, so you're just going to have to guess. Now on the bottom of this radiator, there's 2 holes and 2 rectangular slots for the fan shroud and the electric fan to go in. Those have to slide in there. I suppose I'm just going to reverse procedure. These bolts here I wouldn't get very tight at all. Just a couple of foot-pounds. They're self-tapping looking screws, so they shouldn't be that tight at all. I'm wondering why this hose clamp won't go on. It's all rusted out. It's broken. Broken. I'm going to put the coolant back from whence it came. There's little hooks right here. Gotta put those in right. Now, if I'm right about something, and if this part is any good, it should be a little noisy for about 20-30 seconds, and then it should be nice and quiet after the fluid in the clutch pulls away from the center. Oh, that sounds so nice. It's fixed. Okay, bye.